Hello students, now we are going to discuss about three important principles. In that first one, above principle. Okay, what is mean by above principle? What it says that mean here above means it is a German word. It means build up or built up. Okay, here this principle says that in the ground state of the atoms, okay, in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in order of increasing, in order of their increasing energies is called above principle. Once again, in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in order of their increasing energies is called above principle. Okay, for example, this is the increasing order of orbitals. Okay, here take the electronic configuration of helium. Okay, what is the electronic configuration? What is the atomic number of helium is 1s2. Write the electronic configuration 1s2. Which is the lowest energy orbital? This is the lower. It will be this is in increasing order. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. This is the increasing order. Here, which is the lowest energy orbital? 1s is the lowest energy orbital. When we write the electronic configuration of helium, it first enters into 1s, first one main shell. In that, what are the subshells? S. S is the subshell. So, first electron will be enters into 1s orbital. Here, next electron, how many total electrons are present in helium? 2 electrons. So, that's why here also second electron also enters into s orbital. So, that's why we are able to write the 1s2 electronic configuration of helium. Okay, here. Next, take another one, sodium. Okay, sodium electronic configuration. What is the atomic number? 11. Okay, here when we write the electronic configuration, here 1s2. Okay, which is the lowest energy orbital? 1s, first shell. 1s2. Remaining how many electrons are there? 9 electrons are there. Next remaining main shell is 2s2. Okay, 4 electrons are there. Here total 11. 11 minus 4, 7 electrons. Okay, remaining 7 electrons will be entered into 2p6. P orbital will give accommodation to the only maximum 6 electrons. So that's why 6 electrons will be filled. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10 electrons. Here how many electrons are there? 11. Next electron will be enter into 3s orbital. Okay, 3s1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is the electronic configuration of sodium. Okay, this is the electronic configuration of sodium. Okay, here why 4s is came before the 3d? Okay, because when we calculate the ms values of these two orbitals, okay, what is the main shell value? 4. Okay, what is the s value? In ml plus s value, it will be 0. Okay, so that's why it will has total maximum value is 4. When we write the 3d, okay, this is the 4s value. But when we write the 3d value, that means 3 is the main shell. What is the d value? 2. Okay, d value according to magnetic quantum numbers, here d value is 2. So that's why how much value it will be get? 5. That means here 3d has a maximum value 5, 4s has only 4. So that's why this has a less value. Okay, this has less energy when compared to the 3d. So that's why it will the electron will be enters into 4s. After that 3d will be enters. Here in this, take for example 3s and 3p. Here also it has same main shell. It has 3. It is also has 3. But here s value is 0. But here p value is 1. So that's why here 3s is equal to 3 plus 0. Here 3p is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Yes or no? Here also, so that's why it has the least energy or lower energy. After that it will be entering into 3p orbital. This is called above principle. Okay. Now students, we are going to discuss about Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, Pauli's exclusion principle says that no two electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers. Once again, no two electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers is called Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay. Here what is this principle says, that means no two electrons in an atom. Okay. When an atom is contains number of electrons, in that when we observe the any two electrons, it does not have same set of 4 quantum numbers is called Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay. For example, take helium. It is the atomic number 2. Here write the electronic configuration or 4 different quantum numbers to the helium atom. Okay. Helium atom, it has 2 electrons. Okay. Yes or no? So we write the electronic configuration of helium here like this. Here when we write the 4 quantum numbers to this helium atom, we observe it do not have 4 quantum numbers. Okay. What are they? See, this is the first electrons. Okay, this is the electrons, first electron and second electron. 2 electrons are present in helium atom. Here N indicates the principal quantum number. Okay, principal quantum number. Here L indicates the azimuthal quantum number or angular momentum quantum number. Here ML indicates the magnetic quantum number. Next MS indicates the spin quantum number. Here when these 2 electrons enters into same orbital, for example this is an s orbital, it will give maximum 2 electrons to the accommodation. Here how many electrons are there in helium? 2 electrons are there. Here when 2 electrons are present in an orbital, it must be opposite spin. When we observe the 4 quantum numbers of the first electron, okay, this is the first electron, what is the principal quantum number? 1. Okay, 1 is. Next, what is the azimuthal quantum number? Value S. That means S means L is equal to starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we substitute in that formula 2L plus 1, we get 0. Okay, we get 0. That means L values are started from 0. Yes or no? So L value when we taken 0, ML value also 0. Here 2 electrons present, so that's why it will be opposite spin. In that first one will be taken as positive direction. When electrons are moving around the nucleus in a clockwise direction, it will be taken as positive. Okay. Here this is the second electron. This is the second electron. When we observe, its principal quantum number also 1. Its L value, this second electron also enter into the same orbital. So that's why its L value will be 0. When L value 0, it will be 2L plus value also 0. Its spin quantum number will be taken as negative. Okay, that means when we observe the 2 electrons of an atom, no 2 electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers is called Pauli's exclusion principle. Observe these 2 electrons. First electron has 1, 0, 0 plus half. Here second electron has 1, 0, 0 minus half. Okay, that means any 2 electrons in an atom, same atom, it does not have same set of 4 quantum numbers is called Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay. Now students, we are going to discuss about Hund's rule. Okay. What says that means electron pairing will take place after all the available degenerate orbitals is filled with each electron. Okay. Once again, Hund's rule, electron pairing will take place after all the available degenerate orbitals is filled with each electron. Okay, this is called Hund's rule. Okay, by taking one example in our daily life, we can easily understand this rule. Okay, what is that means? Here, when we enter into the bus, okay, when we enter into the bus or passengers when enter the bus, they always prefer to sit at the window seat. Okay, yes or no? When passengers are enter into the bus, they always try to sit in window seat, to prefer to sit at window seat. After that, when all passengers are filled with window seat, when occupied window seats, after that obviously we sit in beside of anyone. Here also, in degenerate orbitals of an atom, each electron will be enters into singly. After that, pairing will be takes place. Okay, the pairing, electron pairing will be takes place after all the available degenerate orbitals is filled with one electron, is called Hund's rule. How it is? See, for example, take the electronic configuration. Okay, what is the carbon? Okay, carbon atomic number 6. Okay, carbon atomic number 6, or take oxygen. Okay, sorry, take example oxygen. Okay, oxygen, take one example oxygen. Here oxygen atomic number of oxygen is 8. Write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay, write the orbitals like this. Okay, okay, S has only one orbital, P has 3 orbitals. Write the electronic configuration 1s2. How many electrons are there? 2 electrons. So that's why 2 electrons are occupied with opposite spin. 2s2 also same. In 2p4, when pairing will be takes place, before that it will be entering into each orbital or each same degenerate orbitals occupied with a single electron. After that, pairing will be takes place, is called Hund's rule. Okay, here when each electron entering into the same degenerate orbital, after that pairing will be takes place. Okay, this is called Hund's rule.